think the garden is lovely. It's a wonderful space for children along the autistic spectrum to come and enjoy themselves.
We actually have a son who's got ASD, so it's amazing to see all the thought that's gone into the different sensory areas. It's fantastic.
I love the way it's new experiences coming on one by one, rather than everything being bombarded all together.
I've got a dyslexic child and she would love it, because obviously she gets a bit overwhelmed with a lot of things, and yeah, she would take herself off there when things get a bit much.
And I love the planting. It's beautiful. I'd like to spend lots of time there.
I like the fact you've used lots of different flowers, but the colours are nice and subtle, so they won't overwhelm.
I've got a son who's on the autistic spectrum, and I could imagine him really enjoying this garden.
It shows how this garden represents lots of children who are different to us.
I found it relaxing. It took me back to being trying to feel I was a child again.
Absolutely peaceful and beautiful and wonderful. Beautiful planting and full of surprise elements like this.
Where the swing is over there, that little hidden part, and the stream, that's my favourite bit.
The tree houses, the little dens up high, so we love sitting up there, seeing everyone walking down below us, but having our own sort of personal space.
When I saw this seat, it's incredibly comfortable and it's really relaxing.
I think like all the tactile things, so even the pebbles crossing the water, and yes, also the log tunnel, it smells quite incredible.
You like the smell of the wood tunnel. I don't know whether that's just because it's near.
I liked all the little places to explore and the sort of hidey places. I thought that was really good.
The turn of the granite boulder. Yes, it was tougher than I thought, but I managed to spin it round. Yeah.
Ah, this egg.